Welcome to our channel. If Blackboard isn't loading or you're experiencing login errors, follow these step-by-step instructions to fix the problem and access your courses. Step 1. Verify your internet connection by opening other websites to ensure your network is working properly and has sufficient speed. Step 2. Check if Blackboard is down by visiting downdetector.com or your institution's IT status page to see if there are any reported outages. Step 3. Clear your browser cache and cookies completely. Go to your browser settings, select Privacy or History, and clear all cached data and cookies. Step 4. Disable all browser extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy tools, as they can prevent Blackboard from loading correctly. Step 5. Update your web browser to the most current version. Blackboard recommends using the latest versions of Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Step 6. Try accessing Blackboard in an incognito or private browsing window to bypass cached data and extension conflicts. Step 7. Ensure you're using the correct Blackboard URL provided by your institution. Some schools have specific subdomains for their Blackboard instance. Step 8. Reset your password if you're getting login errors. Click Forgot Password on the login page and follow the password reset instructions sent to your email. Step 9. Contact your institution's IT help desk if the problem persists, providing details about the error message and the browser you're using. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.